Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I got a package from Pixologic, and in here I just covered the sticker. In here we got a little letter, and it's my first challenge log which I received. So yeah, this challenge log is from Steve, DeSlotenKraker on YouTube, or what is it on Reddit? It's Clean Steve LP, I believe. And there's this nice letter in here, which I will read in a minute. And what I find pretty neat, there is a map. And you can see the red dot, it's Italy. It's been in Italy before. And there will be another dot for me, hopefully. I don't expect to pick it right now, to get it open. So before I read it, let me see what we got in here. It did a nice envelope here, that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna keep that and I send it to the next one. So we got a 5-pin RINZ 1 IT. 1.0, sorry. So it's SKG ring house. This might take me a while to crack this one open. I don't know if it looks guardable. I don't know if I will gut it. The key is here, and it's, yeah. Hopefully we don't need the one. So, as you can see, Kiwi, I believe it's a K. We will see. I will put it in a vise and we're gonna give it a try in a minute there. I don't know if I can get this one. I really don't know. So let's read this little letter. Dear Picker, I'm glad this log found you in good order. Yes, it did. This is my first challenge log, and I hope you'll enjoy picking it as much as I did making it. I'm sorry. The log is called RINZ, named after a colleague of mine who gifted me this log. RINZ, I hope I pronounced it correctly, is a really tough guy, being a Marine veteran and a firefighter, as well as being a coach for kids suffering addiction and severe behavioral disorders. This log goes out to him. I hope the log is as hard and fun as he is. I will see, probably. If this log has reached you, I would really enjoy it if you let me know through mail, Reddit, or on my YouTube channel. I will do it on your YouTube channel. But Steve, I already got your cell phone number, so I will just send you WhatsApp. To keep track of where the log has been, you'll find a map on the back of this letter. Feel free to mark your position. I will. Enjoy, Steve. So this is the letter, and I really enjoy this one. Thank you so much. I will give it a quick try because I'm on a little hurry. I probably will need more time to pick this one because I'm not that good yet. But I will give my best and I will devote my time to this log. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's around the corner. Alright, so let's see. Let's find a tensioning tool in my box here. What we might use. Well, this could work. But then I will block my I don't know. I'm not happy. I don't know how much tension. I don't know nothing about this one. This will be a disaster. I expect not to get it open. Not now anyways. What kind of pick do I need? Something slim, I would believe. Let's try it with a sawzall. Looks not too bad. So let's get it a little better on camera. I will give it a couple of minutes because I don't want this video over 10 minutes. And then if this doesn't work, I will come back later, maybe with an open. Okay, slight tension, let's see what we can feel. Let me get some more focus on this lock. Slight click, huh? I don't know what he put in here. It's my main problem, and I don't know how the key looks. It's completely new for me. So I think I have the right pick for this job. In my hand, at least. Something going on there. This too. I'm not happy with this one. Let's try something different. Let me see. This will be hours for me, I believe. I'm stuck. Alright, so we had 7 minutes something. Let's see if I can find a different pick, which I might want to try. So Steve, did you get it open? Are you lucky to get it open? I guess. I'm still working on my Panda-Frog too. I haven't opened it yet, so... Oh, something moved there. Okay. Okay, so I have to spend some time with this lock. All right, so this is the DeSlotenKraker DSK RINZ 1.0. This is his first challenge lock, and I will need some time to open this, but I will get it open at some point. And then I will make a video about it when I have it open. But yeah, let's see about that. Alright, thank you so much for Pixologic and DeSlotenKraker for sending me and making this lock. and I will get it open soon, I hope. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.